Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your broker on TradingView.com. So firstly, we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to type in TradingView.com. So as you can see, this is their official website, and since we're signed in, we're going to go to Products, then Super Charts. So once you scroll down the page, you're going to see an arrow. So once you click on it, there's an option that says Paper Trading. We're going to click on it. So as you can see, there is a log out paper trading option. So as you can see, we're logged out. So from these options, we could choose different brokers. For example, let's go to all brokers. Then let's choose Coinbase Advanced. So we can connect here. So since we're here, it's going to need us to sign up. Then once we're logged in, this is how we're going to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, like for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.